Hi sweetie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to teach you the pattern of a easy crochet key holder accessories. So let's see together. Start with a slip knot, then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Chain 1. Repeat this pattern 8 times. At the end of the row, chain 1, cut the yarn off. Take your red color, make a slip knot, then join. Insert your hook into the first space and pull up loop. Hide your tail end. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 1. Stretch your yarn. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same space and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. Twice, 3 times. Stretch it. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop 5 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Chain 1. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next space and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, and repeat in all spaces. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch in this stitch. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 2 chains, insert your hook into the third chain and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 1. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop to make a double crochet. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook into these 2 loops and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 1. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops to make a double crochet. Chain 4. Insert your hook into these 2 loops and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 1 and repeat. At the end of the row, chain 1, then make a slip stitch. in this stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Take your previous yarn again, make a slip knot, then chain 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Then cut the yarn off. This is the pedestal of the flower. Join the pedestal to the sepal. Insert your hook in the middle of the sepal, then pull through your pedestal. Then tie the two ends of the yarn together. Take your key holder, then join your pedestal to the key holder and close it. Thank you for visiting. If you have any question, please leave me a comment. Thank you for looking. I upload new videos every week. If you like my videos, please support me by commenting and subscribing. Your comments and suggestions are very useful and informative for me. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate your feedback and your time. Have a nice one. Bye guys.